At the end of this topic, you should find in your Media Images Rollovers folder that you have a lot of files. Notice that the 1917 school is 800 by, in my case, 493. Yours might be slightly different, but I did ask for 800 on the width. The 2017 school, you'll notice, is only 600 in dimension by 338, so it's a little bit different. The Vineyard Fishing, we have 400 as the width, and there's the big version of that as well. In Tulum, that's 400 by 300, the original and the fixed. And in this case, the various school, I've kind of edited them down to be about 100 by 50 is what I chose to make them. And they're all the same, whether I'm talking about the fishing, Tulum, or school. Yours can vary at least slightly if you want. That's fine. But that's all we have to do is a bunch of GIMP work, this module, this topic. And if you get that all done, you need to put them up on the server so they're there. There's no web page connecting them, but that'll come in the next topic.